The existence of aliens has been a topic of debate and speculation for centuries. In the 1940s and 50s, reports of flying saucers became an American cultural phenomena, and sightings of strange objects in the sky spurred Hollywood to create visions of potential threats. Posters for films, like Earth vs. the Flying Saucers, illustrate these fears. While there is evidence of extraterrestrial life in ancient cave paintings, Sanskrit scrolls, and in the National Archives, researchers and scientists are still looking for proof of intelligent alien life. The debate about the existence of aliens often centers on the question of why we haven't heard from them yet. NASA scientists are encouraging the scientific community to establish criteria for determining whether extraterrestrial life has been found. However, skeptics assert that UFO experiences are more likely a result of misinterpretation or hoaxes than evidence of alien visits. The debate about aliens is not only a scientific one, but a cultural one as well. Ideas about alien life have been part of the mythology of America for centuries, and comics and television shows have used the possibility of aliens to reflect Cold War anxieties. Ultimately, the idea of aliens among us reflects our fears, hopes, and beliefs about the universe and our place in it. Aliens are beings from other worlds that are believed to exist outside of Earth. While there is no concrete evidence to support the existence of aliens, there have been numerous reports of sightings and other unexplained phenomena that have sparked the imagination and curiosity of many people. It is theorized that aliens may exist in the form of intelligent life forms, or even in the form of primitive life forms. It is also theorized that aliens may have visited Earth on occasion, although there is no real proof of this. The debate over the existence of aliens has been ongoing for centuries, and even today, there is still no definitive answer as to whether they exist or not. While many people believe in the possibility of aliens, there are also many skeptics who remain unconvinced. Ultimately, the debate over the existence of aliens is likely to continue for many years to come. Aliens have been reported to be seen in real life for centuries. Sightings of strange objects in the sky have been documented throughout history, from medieval accounts of fiery chariots in the sky to reports of flying saucers in the mid-20th century. In recent years, the debate over the existence of extraterrestrial life and the possibility of alien visitation has increased dramatically. Reports of mysterious sightings, strange lights, and other unexplainable phenomena continue to mount. Some believe that there is a government cover-up and that the truth about alien life is being withheld from the public. Others believe that these reports are simply a product of overactive imaginations or hoaxes. Regardless of one's beliefs, the possibility of alien life is an exciting and fascinating topic. Over the years, many researchers and scientists have scoured government documents at the National Archives in search of proof that life exists beyond our planet. Although no definitive evidence has been found to date, the search continues. Scientific American is the essential guide to the most awe-inspiring advances in science and technology, explaining how they change our understanding of the world and shape our lives. Humans are still searching for signs of intelligent alien life on other planets, but how would we react towards it if we ever did make contact? For decades, flying saucers were a punchline. Then the US government got over the taboo. It chronologically examines the agency's efforts to solve the mystery of UFOs, its programs that had an impact on UFO sightings, and its attempts to conceal CIA involvement in the UFO phenomena. The possibility of alien life has long been the subject of speculation and debate. Many scientists now believe that life could exist on other planets, and our search for extraterrestrial life continues. However, the lack of definitive evidence has left much room for debate. Ultimately, the truth about alien life remains a mystery, and the possibilities are endless. So, what do you think? Does aliens truly exist? What do you believe in?
Does we exist? Comment below right now if you think we do. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Trust in your heart.